Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others. First, just you need to go to zoom.us and sign up. They have free version and they have paid version as well, but you can start with free. After you sign up, then just go to my account. And then you click here, meetings. And then click schedule meeting. Topic, you can give a name. For example, private meeting. And here the time. Select the time. And the duration. For example, 2 hours. And time zone. Select the time zone here. And you can check here if you want a recurring meeting. Registration if it's required. Here is the passcode for the meeting. And here video for host. Just select on or off. Participant on and off. Audio, I prefer to have both telephone and computer audio. Meeting options, allow participants to join anytime. I will not check this because I prefer to be the first. Then if it's everything okay, just click save. And here is the invite link. You need to share this link. Just click here, copy invitation. And here is the link. Just click here, copy meeting invitation. And just you can share this via email, Facebook, WhatsApp, whatever. This is what you need to do if you want to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite others. I hope this video is helpful. And don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.